Hello everyone, welcome back to Krishis Excel Anywhere. If you are watching the channel first time, I strongly recommend you please subscribe to the channel as I have been uploading Excel videos along with tips and shortcuts. Today, I will show you most of the Excel selection keyboard shortcuts starting from the scratch to high level without using mouse. Even if you're not familiar with Excel, still fine. This video can give you more confidence, which will make you work efficiently in Excel. Now let's get started with today's session. Okay, you can become better, faster and smarter at Excel only when you know keyboard shortcut keys. Let's start from the very basic with arrow mark. Right now, I have selected cell number D4. You can use right arrow mark to move one cell right. Now it moved. Again I will enter arrow mark. Again I moved one cell right. Similarly, if I want to move one cell left, you can use left arrow mark. And if you want to move one cell up, you can use up arrow mark. You can use the down arrow mark to move one cell down. Now I want to move one screen down. What is the shortcut now we can use? Now I'll press simply page down. Now you can see it took me to the next page, row number 27. Again let me press page down. It's working. Press page up. Now we moved one step up. Let me press again page up. Yes, again I'm back to home page. Now we have learned how to move one screen up and down. Now let's see how to move one screen right. Right now I'm in column A. By seeing this you can identify. Simply I'll press Alt page down. Now it took me to the next screen. By using Alt page down and page up, you can move one screen left and right. Next we'll see the shortcuts to select rows and columns. To select either column or rows, click on a worksheet cell in the column to be selected to make it the active cell. So this is my active cell now. Need to press and hold the Ctrl key. Now press the space bar to select your column. Similarly, you select the active cell, hold down shift key and press space bar. You'll be able to select a complete row. And if you want to select multiple rows, by holding shift key, press down arrow mark. It will select one by one. Now we have selected the data, the cell values, cell range from C to C6. I'll press shift space bar to select the complete rows of the selected cells. There is a one more option which is very unknown option. Just simply press F8. You see bottom of the screen, it says extend selection. Right now selected only cell number C4. Now by pressing down arrow mark or right arrow mark, the selected range will be extended. Now next cell is selected. Now further one more. Now I press again right arrow mark. It's getting selected, down arrow mark. So this is how you can select multiple cells at a time just by pressing F8. The mode is extend selection. Again press F8 to exit. Now it is not in extend selection mode. This is the alternative of shift key. Imagine if you have some blanks in the units. Let me remove some values. You have blanks and you want to fill this with 0. Hold down shift key and press down arrow mark. You will select one by one till down. Now press Ctrl G. You will go to window. Here you need to press special. You see this option blanks, which means we are going to select only this one. Blanks. OK. Enter 0 one time. Now press Ctrl Enter. Now these fields filled automatically. If I want to select the entire table, you can simply press Ctrl A. It will get selected. At the same time, if you want to select the entire workbook, top of the worksheet, left side of the corner, here is an option to select complete workbook. By clicking here, you'll be able to select the complete workbook. Now we have learned how to select the workbook and select rows and columns. Now, if I want to select multiple worksheets at a time without using mouse, by holding Ctrl Shift key, press page down. You will be able to select the sheets one by one. Now I have selected all these 3 sheets. Ctrl Shift key and press page up. It will be unselected. You can use Ctrl page up and page down. Switch between the sheets. In one shortcut, I have to come to this cell. the last used cell before empty cell. By pressing Ctrl down arrow mark, that will be accumulates. I want to select multiple cells till down. At one shot, I have to select all these values. You can use Ctrl Shift down arrow mark. Now it got selected. If I want to select the cell one by one, you can just press Shift down arrow mark. You'll be select more than one cell. Similarly, no matter where you are, if you want to go to the first cell, just simply press Ctrl Home key. It will take you to the first active cell. Almost we have covered all the selections. If you have any questions, please drop a message in the comment. I'll do my best to give solution. If you like the video, please subscribe or hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.